Kaya ko yun, Tin.
Ay, wala na. Hindi ko na.
So, naalala mo ba? Sinunod natin sa loob. Kasama si...
May ganito pala. May pala.
Parang na-stuck ka sa loop.
Parang ano, parang bangkay din.
Parang na-stuck ka sa loop, eh.
Oh, there's Fred. Aray ko, Mario. Dali, you give your Aro. Ayun, sila ano, ay yung pangalan niya.
Where the Joyce? Where the kids are doing?
Which one?
I just gotta
Ayun pa oh, si ano,
I need a green
si Kuya. And si Riri meron na.
We already had one.
Okay. Everybody has one. Your brother, you have one too? Oh. Eh, give mo si ano kasi baby naman. Kaso baby naman.
Ready, good?
Then they will give it to the si ano brother. Let's go. Okay, I'll fix it. I'll fix it. Oh. Ang mga boys naka-ano na. Use your mic. Use your mic. Use your mic when you're sawing. Nobody. No, nobody. Oh, it's on the floor. It was on the floor. Oh. Ang sungit naman nung kay Master. Ano yun?
You're out! You're out! You're out! Yeah, no! Yes, you are, mister! It's okay! Yay! It's okay! It's part of the game.
Yay! Malapit na talaga.
Howard, you're out for the game. Howard, come. Dapat di ba yung bakit may kumakaw?
Sabihin mo na. Nak! Nak, tell them to ano yun? Move apart. Oh, no, like
Okay,
space apart.
play harder. You lose part of each other. Okay. Then you have to pass it.
You use your mic. We cannot hear you.
Turn it on, turn it on. Only 3 contestants left. Okay, now we go.
Gusto mo? Gusto mo yan?
Takbay.
have to tell it to the mic.
Yan.
Oh, si Ate Bem, Tita Bem mo out. Isa lang daw, isa lang. Kawawa naman si Stitch. Hala. Oh, Brianna, get the prize, Brianna. Give it. Thank you. Howard, why are you? Go. Bye. Hold tight. Howard, come here. Let's eat pizza. Cheers. Where do you get chocolates? I'll get the royals there. Oh. Saan siya Saan siya? Si Brianna talagang dyan, oh. Ay, suka. Oh. Howard, you have to sit here. Here. Sabi niya, paano kaya? Oh, ang galing. Ay, naku ka, humawak ka dyan, ha? Hold. Oh, ha.
Hold it on.
Hindi hold it kasi it's fun. Takot siya.
Ay, frozen pala itong kinuha.
Frozen. Magtutulo sa inyo.
Now, you're right. You can tricycle.
Do it! Sip-sip niya daw.
Do it! You do it! Ay, siya ka. Wag na.
Ano rin kaligo? Ano naman to?
Oo, may tubig.
Kanino ito? Ah,
Sino yan? Ay, maapo niya?
yan. Yung sa kanan. Kanino lagayan ng tubig to?
Ate May!
Ay, baka nandun sa tricycle.
Kanya kagabi.
Ang laki ng ngiti niya sa tricycle. Rihanna. Aba. Hi.
Ito yung anak niya, oh. At saka yung ano.
Hindi ko pa na-meet. Hindi ko pa
si-
na-meet
si
yan.
Jean. Si nanay, oh.
Oh.
You take a picture with your nanay.
We did.
Gusto niya pag nagbakasyon dito, gusto niya dito din sa daddy mo eh.
Siyempre, saka yung anak ni Tita Metoy.
Kasi mas nag-enjoy sila.
Si Daddy kasi ang ano eh, clown. Nakakainom daw sila.
Wait.
Daddy's house. Saan mo na yung ano? Here. You like riding in a tricycle? Huh? Howard? Stop na yan na si ano. Nak, itaas mo yung kamay. Paa mo, Nak.
So,
Ano na, hindi pa ako nakabidyo dito pa.
Ah.
Ganyan lang. Okay na yan. Wag na, wag na. Maliwanag. Oh. Yung dining.
Wait. Here. At yung lupa nyo. Para mayroon kayo.
Ayun. Doon, patay. Ayun na talaga. Sabi ko,
Doon.
ito na, patayuan natin ng ano. Pwede ba yung may swimming pool?
Oh.
Oh, yan na. Naku. Manifest in few years. Maybe, I don't know, 5 years from now.
Si Mama, pag to eh.
Okay. Hold on. Hi! Videohan kita, tita. Ay, oo. Aray ko, pay, daddy. Ay, sus.
Papaalam nga kay nanay. Ang mga apo.
Mabless na doon kay
Nadali
nanay.
lang. Dito kanina sana nagnanawi siya o kukunan ka.
Ay,
Picture. Yan ang ano lang yung libangan niya.
oh.
Nag-ano ng walis ting-ting.
Walis ting-ting.
Okay. Ay, bapa, malagay gani. Malaga? You sit down here. Oh my God. Wait, no, here.
Why?
Ma, ay, because you... no, you sit down here. Yan. Tapos
Nah.
ikaw, manawi ka. I put your nawi.
What is nawi?
Yung gumagawa siya ng walis ting-ting.
Nan.
Ako na mag-ano, Sarah. Ako na.
Aha.
You go there, other side. Yan. So,
Uy, bakit mo inapakan?
akin na. Nakabidyo to?
Oh.
Okay na? Nakabidyo na to? Naka-record na?
Opo.
Are you sure? Okay. Go there. Okay, this is a grandma. Oh, you see what they are doing right now. She is, ano nga tawag dyan? Making brooms. Alright?
Look at the
Limbs of the coconut.
Leaves of coconut.
Oh, that's a
Oh. Wait. Oh my God. Oh. One. Ready? 1, 2, look.
Look at
Brianna.
Daddy, lo.
Ay!
Ay, syaka. Na yan.
Kasi, hindi, hugasan
Ay,
na.
mahugasan natin.
Okay. Wait.
Picture.
I be together.
What?
Oh. It's okay. We'll wash it. Oh, daddy, look mo na. Smile. Tinakpan mo si
Okay.
Nana.
Hindi kita.
Hindi ang cellphone.
No.
Okay.
Kita.
One more. One more.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Uwi na sila sa mapapunta silang Bacolod.
Ha?
Mapunta pa
Mauwi
sila
na
ng
po
Bacolod.
kami.
Bakulod.
Oo. Doon.
Coffee? Kakao? We're eating star apple. With my tita,
The purple thing. Purple rain. Purple rain.
Ay, ang alikon! Diyos ko po! Aray!